Everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Roblox memory dump error. So what you're going to do here is you have to go to your start menu, and then this time you have to look for Windows security. Tap on Windows security here, and then after that what you're going to do next is you have to look for device security. Click device security, and then under device security you should see that core isolation. You have to click that one, and after that you have to simply look for memory integrity, and you need to toggle this one off. So toggle memory integrity to off. If Windows asks for confirmation, click yes or allow changes, and then after that restart your PC after turning it off. This step is important. After restarting, open Roblox. Your memory dump error should now be gone. If Roblox runs fine later, you can try turning memory integrity back on to restore full system protection. So basically, this is the way on how to fix Roblox memory dump error. Thank you so much for watching, and see you again in our next video tutorials.